If you're a contractor or have a large workforce, you're probably looking for some quality workwear at a good price. Hard hats are no exception. They're a necessity for every worksite and often live a very hard life. This general purpose hard hat from Evrigard is safe, comfortable, and very affordable. It's made from ABS plastic and complies with SABS standards. The strap is easy to adjust and it has accessory slots. Remember, a hard hat should be replaced after any impact, even if the damage is not visible. A durable and affordable option for high-volume workwear. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. For more videos like this, check out our blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.